In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent PNG in Photoshop. We'll turn a regular photo or graphic into a PNG with a see-through background, perfect for logos, product shots, or placing your subject over any backdrop. First, launch Photoshop and open the image you want to work with. You can drag the file into Photoshop or open it from the menu. With the document on screen, we'll make sure we can see the Layers panel. If it's not already visible, go to Window in the top menu and choose Layers. In that panel, look at your main image layer. If you see a little padlock icon, that means the layer is locked. Click the padlock to unlock it so Photoshop can edit transparency. This converts a background layer into a regular layer that supports transparent pixels. Next, select that same layer and head over to the Properties panel. If you don't see it, you can open it from the Window menu as well. In Properties, look for the Quick Actions section. Click Remove Background. Photoshop will analyze the image and automatically isolate your subject, hiding the background with a layer mask. This is non-destructive, so your original pixels are still there behind the mask. Take a moment to zoom in and preview the edges. If the background was simple, the result is often perfect right away. For more complex hair or glass, understand that you might refine the mask later, but for this workflow, we'll keep it simple. Once the background is removed and you're seeing the checkerboard pattern where the background used to be, it's time to export. Go to File, choose Export, then select Export As. In the Export dialog, set the format to PNG. PNG supports transparency, which is exactly what we need. Make sure the transparency checkbox is turned on so those transparent areas are preserved in the final file. You can leave other settings like size and color space as they are unless you have a specific requirement. A quick note on transparency. Inside Photoshop, those gray and white squares simply indicate empty pixels. In other apps, you might see a solid white or black backdrop during preview. But the transparency is still there and will show through wherever you place the image. PNG preserves crisp edges, so logos and text stay sharp without halos. Finally, click Export, choose where to save, and give your file a clear name. That's it. You've created a transparent PNG in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, follow along next time for more quick Photoshop workflows.